talk a little bit about the advantage of having a nice cotton wiping rag in your equipment room or at the car wash. Kleen-Rite sells recycled, sterilized, cut-up clothing as wiping rags. And I noticed that at some car washes, my towels are used to contain and control spills in the equipment room. It's a lot cheaper to go with a box of rags. They're also handy for doing mechanical maintenance and wiping, even in detailing cars, wiping and cleaning around wheels and in the door jambs, and even for painting inside on rainy days. Kleen-Rite sells wiping rags that are made from recycled t-shirts, both white and colored, and they also sell cut up, washed and sterilized sweatshirt rags as well. So Dr. Joe, in addition to being a towel doctor, is a rag doctor and a spill doctor as well.